Hello students, welcome to my channel Study of Life Science. Here we are going to discuss the PYQs on the topic cell cycle and cell division. First question, during cell growth, DNA synthesis takes place on, here correct answer is A, S phase. We know that cell cycle is divided into two main phases. First is interphase and second is M phase. So this interphase, it is again divided into three phases, G1, S and G2. Synthesis of DNA takes place ड्यूरिंग द यस फेज ऑफ द सेल साइकिल. या इस फेज में क्या होता है, डीएनए का अमाउंट डबल होता है बट क्रोमोसोम नंबर जो है वो सेम रहता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द स्टेजेस ऑफ मियोसिस इन कॉलम 1 टू देयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स इन कॉलम 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन यूजिंग द कोड्स गिवन बिलो. ए पैचिटिन, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 3 क्रॉसिंग ओवर टेक्स प्लेस. B, metaphase 1, correct option is 4 chromosomes align at equatorial plate. C, dikinesis, option is 2 terminalization of chiasmata. D, zygote, option is 1 pairing of homologous. So correct answer is A. Spindle fibers attach onto, so here correct answer is D, kinetochore of the chromosomes. So kinetochore is nothing but the small proteinaceous disc-like structure which is present on both the side of the centromere of the chromosome, and to this kinetochore spindle fibers attach during metaphase of the cell division. Next question, which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cells? Here correct answer is B, synapsis. Synapsis means pairing of homologous chromosomes which takes place during prophase 1 of meiosis 1, and therefore it is not a characteristic feature of mitosis in somatic cells, but it is characteristic feature of reproductive cells and meiosis cell division which takes place during zygote of prophase 1. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosomes begins is, here correct answer is B, diplotin. पैचिटिन में homologous chromosomes के बीच क्रॉसिंग ओवर प्रोसेस होती है. Then comes the diplotin. During diplotin, the synaptomermal complex which is formed during zygote, it starts to disappear, and also the chromosomes separate from each other except at the point of crossover which is called as a chiasmata. The correct sequence of phases of cell cycle is, here answer is A, G1, S, G2 and M. So we know that cell cycle is divided into two main phases, interphase and M phase. Cell cycle starts from G1 phase which is called as gap 1 phase, then comes the S phase, synthetic phase, then G2 gap 2 phase, and last is the M phase, that may be mitosis or meiosis. First question, some dividing cells exit the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage. This process occurs at the end of, here correct answer is C, M phase. M phase के बाद कुछ सेल जो है सेल साइकिल को एग्जिट करते हैं, दे बिकम इनएक्टिव, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए क्विसेंट स्टेज ऑफ सेल साइकिल. लेकिन ये जो सेल है मेटाबॉलिकली एक्टिव होते हैं, दे कैन अगेन एंटर इनटू सेल साइकिल, एंड quiescent stage occurs after M phase. Dissolution of the synaptonemal complex occurs during, here correct answer is A, diplotin. zygote phase में synaptonemal complex जो तैयार होता है that starts to disappear during diplotin phase of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Next question, identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase of interphase. Here correct answer is A, cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. G1 phase में सेल जो है मेटाबॉलिकली एक्टिव होती है. There is synthesis of various biomolecules such as proteins, RNA, amino acids, ATP. Various organelles are also duplicated. Cell grows but there is no replication of DNA. DNA का replication नहीं होता है. It takes place during the S phase of interphase. Match the following with respect to meiosis. Select the correct options from the following code. Column 1, zygote, option is 4, synapsis. पैचिटिन, option is 3, crossing over. Diplotin, option is 2, chiasmata. Dikinesis, option is 1, terminalization of chiasmata. So here correct answer is D. First question, which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Here correct answer is A, anaphase 2. एनाफेज 2 में सेंट्रोमियर का स्प्लिटिंग होता है and chromatids get separated and they move towards the opposite pole of the spindle apparatus. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here correct answer is A. List 1 A, S phase DNA replication, option is 4. G2 phase proteins are synthesized, option is 1. Quiescent stage inactive phase, option is 2. G1 phase interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. Next question. The fruit fly has 8 chromosomes in each cell. During the interphase of mitosis, if the number of chromosomes at G1 phase is 8, what would be the number of chromosomes after the S phase? Here correct answer is C, 8. इंटरफेज के G1 फेज में नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स दी है 8. So here remember that during synthesis phase of interphase only DNA replication takes place. Amount of DNA gets doubled but chromosome number remains same. इसलिए G1 फेज में जितने भी क्रोमोसोम्स के नंबर होते हैं that will be the same after S phase. Which stage of meiotic prophase shows the terminalization of chiasmata as its distinctive feature? So here correct answer is A, dikinesis. We know that prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is divided into 5 substages: leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and dikinesis. L, Z, P, D, D. Last stage is dikinesis. Dikinesis में chiasmata का terminalization होता है. That means chiasmata move towards the end of the chromatids. Question number 1. Which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? So here correct answer is B, pairing of homologous chromosomes. So this is the characteristic feature of meiosis 1. प्रोफेज 1 में क्या होता है? जाइगोटिन फेज में सिनेप्सिस प्रोसेस होती है, that is nothing but the pairing of homologous chromosomes and it does not occur and never occur in mitotic cell division. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes. Here correct answer is B, sites at which crossing over occurs. We know that crossing over takes place during pachytin phase of prophase 1 and after crossing over there is formation of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes. Next question regarding meiosis, which of the statements is incorrect? So here A statement is incorrect. DNA replication occurs in S phase of meiosis 2. This is wrong because synthesis of DNA takes place during S phase of interphase and not during meiosis 2. Other statements are correct. Select the incorrect statement with reference to mitosis. So here A statement is incorrect. Spindle fibers attached to centromere of chromosomes, because we know that spindle fibers attach to the kinetochore of chromosomes and not to the centromere of chromosomes. These three statements are correct. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Here correct answer is A, metacentric chromosome, centromere in the middle forming two equal arms of chromosomes, acrocentric chromosome, centromere situated close to the end forming one extremely short and one very long arms, submetacentric chromosome, centromere slightly away from the middle forming one shorter arm and one longer arm, telocentric chromosome, option is 2, centromere at the terminal end of the chromosome. Question number 1. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Here correct answer is C, anaphase 2. Anaphase 2 में centromere का division होता है. Sister chromatids get separated and they move towards the opposite poles of the spindle apparatus. The process of appearance of recombination nodules occurs at which substage of prophase 1 in meiosis? So here correct answer is B, pachytin. In pachytin, crossing over process takes place in between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes and due to crossing over there is formation of recombination nodule. Next question, among eukaryotes replication of DNA takes place in? So here correct answer is B, S phase, which is also called as synthesis phase. इस phase में DNA का replication होता है and amount of DNA get doubled. Question number 1, spindle fibers attach to kinetochores of chromosomes during. So correct answer is A, prophase. At the end of prophase, there is organization of spindle apparatus and spindle fiber attached to the kinetochores of chromosomes. Recombination between homologous chromosomes is completed by the end of. Here correct answer is D, Pachitin. During Pachitin, crossing over takes place between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, and there is exchange of genetic material between these two non-sister chromatids, and recombinant chromosomes are formed, which leads to the variation in next generation. Is 1, Pachitin. Synaptonemal complex formation, option is 4, zygotin. Terminalization of chiasmata, option is 2, dikinesis. Match list 1 with list 2. Here correct answer is D. A, cells are metabolically active and proliferate. Option is 2, G1 phase. DNA replication takes place. Option is 4, S phase. Proteins are synthesized. Option is 1, G2 phase. Quiescent stage with metabolically active cells. Option is 3, G0 phase. What is the main function of the spindle fibers during mitosis? So here correct answer is C, to separate the chromosomes. एनाफेज में सेंट्रोमियर का स्प्लिटिंग होता है. सिस्टर chromatids get separated and they move towards the opposite pole of the spindle apparatus due to the shortening of the spindle fibers. Thereby, spindle fibers help to separate the chromosomes. Question number 1, match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here correct answer is A. List 1, A, G1 phase. Option is 2, cell is metabolically active and continuously grows but does not replicate its DNA. B, S phase. Synthesis of DNA occurs and the amount of DNA per cell doubles. Option is 3. G2 phase. Option is 4, proteins are synthesized while cell growth continues. M phase. Option is 1, actual cell division occurs. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of plant cells in the phase of elongation? So here correct answer is B, large conspicuous nuclei. This is the characteristic feature of meristematic cells and not elongating cells. Elongating cells में वैक्यूल की साइज इंक्रीज होती है. There is cell enlargement and also new cell wall deposition takes place.